Queensland's Treasurer has unveiled a $3.5 billion investment into rail networks ahead of this week's state budget. As Claire Todd-Hunter reports, the cash splash is expected to create about 5,000 jobs.
Of the $3.5 billion, $107 million will go towards building 3 new railway stations here on the Gold Coast at Pimpama, Wurundjeri and Hope Island. Another $876 million will duplicate the rail line from Currabee to Beenleigh between Brisbane and the Gold Coast, and $489 million will upgrade the Nambour to Bibbarum line, while the biggest chunk will be invested in the controversial light rail project on the Gold Coast, with $924 million committed to stage 3.
Overall, these investments will create more than 5,000 jobs for Queenslanders over the life of the projects. And that's why capital investment in our infrastructure is so important. It creates a better lifestyle, it strengthens our economy, but very importantly, it creates jobs.
Queensland's Transport Minister says the so-called rail revolution is directly related to the government addressing population growth as Australians move north from the southern states.
These investments are directly related to us addressing growth in Queensland. We saw Queensland's very strong stewardship of the health pandemic that saved jobs and saved lives. And what that's meant is there's confidence coming into our state. We've got a lot of population growth coming across the border, so we've got to deal with that with infrastructure and investments in public transport. And this rail revolution will be a really important part of moving people about more efficiently and more effectively.
The cash splash will also fund technology for automatic platform doors to prevent people falling onto tracks, and the building of 65 new trains at Maryborough. Treasurer Cameron Dick will deliver the full state budget on Tuesday. He says it's focused fairly and squarely on creating jobs for Queenslanders.